Are you struggling with porn addiction and feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone, and the good news is there's a way out. In this video, we're diving deep into a proven step-by-step guide designed to help you break free from this cycle and reclaim control over your life. Whether you've tried before or this is your first step, we've got actionable strategies and practical advice that can make a real difference. From understanding your triggers to developing healthy habits, this guide will provide you with everything you need to start your journey towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. So, if you're ready to take control and make lasting changes, stick around. This step-by-step guide could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Step 1. Acknowledge the issue. The first and most crucial step is acknowledging that you have a problem with pornography. It might sound straightforward, but this can be a real hurdle. The key here is honesty with yourself, as many people have a hard time admitting this is an issue. You need to recognize how this addiction is affecting various aspects of your life, such as your relationships, productivity, and mental health. A great way to start this process is through journaling. Spend some time writing about your experiences with porn, when and why you engage with it, and how it impacts your emotions and daily life. This reflection will help you understand your triggers and patterns, and it's the first step towards taking control. Step 2. Set realistic and clear goals. Once you've acknowledged the issue, the next step is to set clear, achievable goals. Instead of vague targets like, I want to stop watching porn, aim for specific goals such as, I want to reduce my consumption to X times a week, or I want to be porn-free for 30 days. These goals should be realistic and measurable, giving you a clear path to follow. Creating a detailed plan to reach these goals is essential. This plan might include identifying your triggers, those situations or emotions that lead you to watch porn, and developing strategies to avoid or manage them. You might also consider setting up new routines or finding alternative activities to fill the time you previously spent consuming porn. Step 3. Seek support. Although it may seem embarrassing, overcoming porn addiction is much easier with support. So, don't be afraid to reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Sharing your struggles with trusted individuals can provide emotional support and accountability. Additionally, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor who specializes in addiction. They can offer valuable insights and coping strategies tailored to your needs. There are also many online forums and support groups, like the NoFap community, where you can connect with others who are going through similar challenges. Being part of a community can provide you with encouragement and practical advice from people who truly understand what you're experiencing. Step 4. Develop healthy habits. Replacing the time and energy you spent on porn with positive, healthy activities is crucial. Engaging in exercise, picking up new hobbies, or spending more time with loved ones can help distract you from cravings and build a more fulfilling life. Consider creating a daily routine that includes activities you enjoy and that keep you engaged. This could be anything from taking up a new sport, learning a new skill, or even volunteering. The goal is to fill your time with activities that boost your well-being and reduce the likelihood of falling back into old habits. This is especially true when the urge to watch pornography kicks in. Oftentimes, people watch pornography at a certain time during the day, so the urge to watch kicks in at that time during the day. One thing you can do when this urge appears is distract yourself by doing something productive, like push-ups, or if it is at night, you can try to overcome the urge by reading. That being said, it is better to implement these habits before the urge even appears, since it is better to win a fight even before it has begun. Step 5. Practice self-compassion. Practicing self-compassion is an often overlooked but vital step in overcoming porn addiction. It's normal to face setbacks, and it's important to treat yourself with kindness when you do. Instead of being self-critical, acknowledge the mistake, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Each day or week that you stick to your goals is a victory worth acknowledging. Reward yourself with something positive that aligns with your values and goals. However, be careful not to identify as being someone who is no longer a porn addict, as this can make you obsessed with your desire to quit. Step 6. Reflect and adjust. Regular reflection is key to long-term success. Take time to evaluate your progress and see what's working or what might need adjustment. If you encounter challenges, don't hesitate to tweak your plan or seek additional support. It is completely normal to relapse in your attempt to quit watching pornography, and remember not to beat yourself down every time you do so. Even if you do relapse, keep going, as determination is the key to long-term success. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide to overcoming porn addiction. I hope these strategies have provided you with valuable insights and practical steps to start making positive changes. Remember, overcoming addiction is a journey, not a sprint, and every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Be patient with yourself as you implement these changes. It's normal to face setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Reach out for support when needed, whether it's through friends, family, or professional help. You're not alone in this. What's one actionable step from today's guide that you plan to implement immediately? Is there a strategy not covered in this video that has been particularly effective for you in overcoming porn addiction? Please tell us in the comments.